मतलब नहीं है भाई, कुछ मतलब नहीं है, काम भाई। कल 4 बजे जो भाई
A fire took place in a three-story building in Mumbai's Cutlery Market area in Abdul Rahman Street. The fire actually took place yesterday on Sunday evening at around 4:24, but it's been more than 20 hours and the fire is yet to be doused. Firefighting operations are going on since last more than 20 hours. This is the spot. You can see the smoke coming out of the structure. And if we talk about the situation, there are 15 fire tenders which are on the spot. 17 jumbo tankers are there on the spot. Yesterday, 7 people were rescued. Now, this is a structure which is residential plus commercial. And 7 people were rescued yesterday. One firefighting officer was actually, his condition became bad because of the suffocation. So, he was hospitalized and later discharged. Now, if we talk about current status, more than 20 hours. And the challenges which actually the firefighting department is facing, that this was an old structure. Most of the part was actually made of wood. So a huge chunk of the building has actually collapsed and the remaining is also not safe to enter. So firefighting officers are finding it difficult to enter the structure. Though as far as the firefighting operations are concerned, using the equipments, the operation is going on. In fact, yesterday on 2 occasions, fire department thought that the fire was brought under control. In fact, at 11:12 p.m. last night, an official message was also given by fire department about the fire being doused, but that clearly is not the case. It's been 20 hours now and the fire is yet to be doused. Let me try and speak to some people who are here, who saw what is happening since last evening. Now, if we talk about this structure being old, or new electric wiring not being there is some of the challenges and some of the reasons which actually could have led to this is what fire department is suspecting. Let me try and speak to some people. Sir, ये जो आग जो कल से लगी हुई है, आप मुझे ये बिल्डिंग के बारे में अगर बता सके, किस तरह की बिल्डिंग है, क्या लोग रहते भी थे या दुकानें भी थी या क्या?
मैडम, ये तो बिल्डिंग बहुत पुरानी है, पता नहीं 80 साल 90 साल पुरानी बिल्डिंग है। उसमें लोग रहते भी थे, 3 माले भी लोग रहते थे, नीचे मार्केटिंग थी, ऊपर रहने का था और हम लोग के रिलेशन वाले भी वहाँ रहते थे। लेकिन वायरिंग इतनी खराब हो चुकी थी, पूरी बिल्डिंग ऐसी डाउन हो चुकी थी कि कुछ बोल नहीं सकते। जो कस्टमर आते जाते थे वो भी सोचते थे हम अंदर जाए कि नहीं जाए। एकदम वायरिंग सर पे आ चुकी थी, लेकिन कभी बीएमसी ने लैंडलॉर्ड ने कभी ध्यान ही नहीं दिया।
सर, ये आग जो है वो कल से बुझाने का काम चल रहा है, बीच में 1-2 बार लगा भी था कि शायद कंट्रोल में आ गई है।
वो तो होता है, वो तो थोड़ा बहुत तो होता ही रहता है मैडम, हमेशा ही होता था, ऐसा नहीं है। 3-4 महीने 6 महीने में लेकिन बुझ जाती थी। इस बार कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया। वो संडे की वजह से पब्लिक भी नहीं थी और कोई किसी ने ध्यान भी नहीं दिया, बाद में आया सब।
कल संडे था,
कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश की लोग ने, बहुत कंट्रोल बहुत करने की कोशिश किया, बुझ भी गई थी आग, लेकिन फिर भी हो गया।
So, as I was mentioning earlier, that it was at 11:22 that 11:12 p.m. Yesterday that fire department thought that the fire was brought under control, but that is clearly not the case. More than 20 hours, and the firefighting operation here are still going on. In Mumbai, with camera person Bhishth Bhavan, this is Santya for Mirror Now.